viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to also discuss about Coinbase Wallet, and in this video we are going to connect our wallet with a new platform that's name is Benqi or QI. If you want to connect your wallet, so this video is going to very informative for you. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So let's suppose you want to start use Coinbase Wallet. So before going to start, so please go to my YouTube channel and click on video portion. After that, you can see here I have uploaded many videos about Coinbase Wallet in one channel. So we requested to you, please, when you are going to use any cryptocurrency wallet, so you must watch the all videos like how can you find the private key, how can you deposit, how can you withdraw, how can you save the phrases, how to recover your account, because all information necessary for you if you need to use any cryptocurrency wallet. So all videos for you. So kindly visit my YouTube channel and watch these videos. Okay. So right top corner you can see here Coinbase wallet is shown in front of me. I just log in my account because I need to connect my wallet. If you connect your wallet with Benqi or QI, so you can provide the liquidity and you can get the extra reward. And you can also use the borrowing or lending option on this platform. You can see here my Coinbase wallet is open in front of me. I have not any balance, but I need to connect my wallet with QI or Benqi. So in this video I am giving to complete information. Okay, some subscribers sent to me message and they want to connect their wallet to Benqi or QA. So my wallet is open in front of me. I am going to open CoinJacko for get some more information about Benqi. What's the price and what the all-time high? You can see here CoinJacko. This is official website where you can get the information about cryptocurrency prices, chart or news. I simple click on it, and this time Bitcoin price is $46,000 plus. I means in 1 hour ago the Bitcoin price $47,000, but this time $46,820. Ethereum price is 2,300 plus, and XRP price is 0.57 cent. But we need to check the Benqi because I need to connect our wallet. So I'm going to check the top 100 cryptocurrency list is available or not. Otherwise, I will directly search on search bar. I think not shown in a top 100. So going to on search area. Simple type here QI. So you can see here Benqi shown here 16% up in almost lines last 7 days or last 24 hours only. Sorry, in last 24 hours 16% up. The Benqi price is 0.195 cent, and if we are going to check the maximum, so all-time high will be shown here almost 38 cent, almost 38 cent. But today price is only 2 cent, means 95% down from the all-time high. And if you need to use or trade this coin, so you can directly use Maxi, Binance, Binex, Coinbase Exchange, and DigiFinance. Many big names available here if you want to buy or sell this one. I'm not giving you any financial advice. It's depend on you. I'm just giving you information. Okay. on only for educational purpose. So you can see here the Benqi is launched on Avalanche, and this is the official website where you can connect your wallets. So I'm going to open Benqi.finance. So first of all, you can see here the main website is open front of you. Benqi and lend and borrow, liquidity staking. I already told you, if you need to, if you get passive earning or earn passive earning, you can also provide the liquidity, and you can also lend your coin or borrow your coin. You can see here the value of locked shown here, the total users and the integration 50 plus. Okay, and liquidity staking staked AVAX and earn seamless use it within a DeFi market, land, borrow and earn with the crypto, and also you can integrate. So I'm going to click on app. So there is shown the liquidity market. So if you need to stake your coin, so you simple click on stake now. Then the staking dot Benqi dot fund and stake will be open front of you, where you can stake your AVAX. Let's suppose you want to stake your AVAX. So simple click on connect a wallet, and after that the all wallet will be shown, which is support this time. Core, MetaMask, OKX wallet, Coinbase, Coin98, Trust wallet, many big name is available here. So we just connect over Coinbase wallet. Simple click on it. So pop-ups open front of me, and now you can see here, read the all information about your wallet. When you are going to connect, simple click on connect. Do not show. Okay, this is my wallet is connect successfully. You can see here my wallet address shown here. If I'm going to click on it, you can see here my wallet address is shown here, and network is mainnet. And let's suppose you want to stake your AVAX with this platform. Simple is that I have not any balance. You just simple enter your AVAX amount. Let's suppose you have 10 or 30 or 100. Simple type here, and after that you can stake. So when you're going to stake, so after some time you will get the APR or extra money or reward. Before going to liquid staking, you must read the all information, percentage rate, stake off, and total AVAX staked and unstake 15 days. After 15 days you can unstake your AVAX, and you will also get the staking reward. Okay, I think you properly understand. And if you need to unstake, simple click on unstake, enter the amount and click on unstake. Okay, and second option is available here, app.benqi.fi, and where you can get the reward for providing the liquidity, or you can also supply or borrow. Simple, use same step like connect first of your wallet, select when your wallet will be connected. After that you can provide the liquidity and you will get the extra or passive earning. Okay, you can see here also my wallet is connected, and you can also supply here and borrow. And also if you click on reward option, so you can provide the liquidity and get the more earning from this platform. So whereas I hope you properly understand how can you connect your wallet with means Coinbase wallet with Benqi, and how can you stake, how can you provide the liquidity. So this platform is very good for you. I'm not giving you any financial advice, it's depend on you if you want to connect your wallet before going to complete your search. Okay viewers, so if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me my email address, or you can also comment below this video. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.